Welcome to my class. Lesson: sentences used in airport. Sentence is: the flight is delayed. The flight is delayed. The next sentence is: the gate will close in 10 minutes. The gate will close in 10 minutes. The next sentence is: I am traveling with my family. I am traveling with my family. The next sentence is: my gate number is 12. My gate number is 12. The next sentence is: I need to check in. I need to check in. The next sentence is: can you help me check in? Can you help me check in? The next sentence is: here is my ticket. Here is my ticket. The next sentence is: go to immigration control. Go to immigration control. The next sentence is: my bag is overweight. My bag is overweight. The next sentence is: do I need to pay extra? Do I need to pay extra? The next sentence is: please put your bag on the scale. Please put your bag on the scale. The next sentence is: please go through security. Please go through security. The next sentence is: follow the security officer. Follow the security officer. The next sentence is: I need help with my luggage. I need help with my luggage. The next sentence is: please walk through the scanner. Please walk through the scanner. The next sentence is: please wait in the lounge. Please wait in the lounge. The next sentence is: I prefer an all seat. I prefer an all seat. The next sentence is: I want a window seat. I want a window seat. The next sentence is: please fasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. The next sentence is: please remove your belt. Please remove your belt.